All right, good morning, second grade. Today for science, we are going to be reading on frozen frogs. How are frogs different from us? The teacher asked. The class was happy to tell the teacher. The class knew that frogs are different from people. They knew frogs are not mammals. Frogs are amphibians. Amphibians can live in both the water and on land. Frogs lay eggs. The eggs hatch into tadpoles. The tadpoles live in the water. The tadpoles grow. They begin to change. They grow legs. They grow into frogs. The frogs can hop on land. Raina said, I know we are different than frogs. We are not amphibians. We do not lay eggs. We do not change from a tadpole to a frog. We do not live in the water. But there is one frog that is different from other frogs. This frog can freeze. This frog can also thaw. This frog can wake up from a frozen sleep. How can a frog wake up from a frozen sleep? Asked the class. How can a frog thaw? Are you sure this is a real frog? The frog was real. It was a wood frog. The wood frog lives in Canada. It gets very cold in Canada. When it gets cold, the frog becomes very still. This way, it needs only the tiniest bit of oxygen and energy to survive. Then, the frog's liver pumps out something called glucose. Too much glucose will kill a person, but it does not kill a frog. Instead, it keeps the water inside the frog from freezing. The frog is frozen outside. Inside it is part liquid. It is like thick syrup. Very few animals can survive freezing, the teacher said. Even you cannot survive being frozen. But scientists are studying the wood frog. They are studying how it freezes over the winter. They are studying how it thaws in the spring. They are looking at how its insides become like thick syrup. They are studying how it is different from other frogs. All right, and that ends our reading today for science.